Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. I'm just like so excited. The last video I was irritated, but faith without works is dead, so I'm working on replenishing that soil. You can't, if you just got to keep it moving, right? So today's video, I'm going to show y'all what I got in my April dig subscription box, as well as my order that I had received from the Hood Garden LLC. She has peppers, so I purchased just two packs of pepper seeds because I had some already, but I wanted to support. I'm always support. And I'm gonna just show you things that I've gotten. I was waiting on one item that I had purchased from Amazon, and it should come today. Today is Sunday, May 1st. And it was something, hold on, it was something like this. I'm sorry, that's Mr. that's Mr. M. He is revving up his motorcycle life. But anyway, I have something like this, but the pouches go a little bit more around, and it attaches to like a 3 to 5 gallon bucket. So I have a couple of buckets that I have purchased from a bakery, and I had flowers in it last year and before that, but this time I'm just gonna rinse it out really good and use it to harvest if I need to harvest anything and tote stuff around. I mean, I have harvest baskets and stuff, but you can never have too many. So this is what I got from Dig. And I got a couple of cute things. I got this. It's the pollinator pack. It's the it's Crown Bees pollinator nesting variety pack for all gentle bees. So it's hiveless bee raising. So I think that was really neat in that box. So this month's theme, wait a minute, Cam, I'm recording. This month, Cameron, what are you doing? No, see.
I might have flipped and some of it spilled.
Oh my gosh. All right. So this month's theme is bees, butterflies, and hummers. Oh my. So that's the thing. So here, this is going to for the bees. This is something local. It's mountain floral sugar. It states, this is it. And y'all see that. Oh gosh. The name of the company is called wellseasonedtable.com, and it's in Candela, North Carolina. I don't know what that is. So I have a 2-ounce jar of this, and this is it says this is a bright and beautiful sugar. Oh, this, I don't have my glasses on. This bright and beautiful sugar is bursting with flavor and color, a gorgeous topping for baked goods, a rampa cocktail mocktails, or used to make a batch of fruity granola. What's in it is cane sugar, apple, wild crafted persimmon, rose petals, hibiscus, red clover flowers, and lavender flowers. And they have an Instagram. The Instagram is Well Seasoned Table as well. So that's cool, and it looks like they have Facebook. I have some more metal planner labels in here, and a little bit more vermistera. Last month, for March's dig box, I had a sample bag of the vermistera worm castings, and it came with a coupon. So I did use the coupon to order some vermistera worm casting. Well, I had the worm tea. So this is something else. Is from Flower Church in Detroit. Okay. And this is zinnia, Bennery's giant flower and flower church mix. Okay, so this is a packet of zinnias. That's cool. I mean, I went through this already, but I forgot. So I'm re-excited again. So now we have agastache or Korean mint. I have some actually in my garden already, so it's always good to have more. This is swamp milkweed, lemon bee balm. I like lemon bee balm. And white borage. Can't have enough borage. let's see. And we have some of these peat pellet pods as always. So that's cool. I'm excited. I'm happy about this box package that I received when I made an order from the Hood Garden. So I got more than what I ordered. I got a sample of hot lemon pepper. I like these stickers. I put them in my journal, my garden journal. So it's a cute sticker. A card that has grow tips. And so I ordered Tobago pepper seeds and stop screaming! Paprika pepper seeds. And she gave me another sticker. And this was nice. I got ruby red Swiss chard seeds. This was free. And Anaheim pepper seeds. Excited about that. This was free. Ooh, okay. So I'm looking at an Amazon thing that just popped up on my phone. It's on its way for the bucket. So this was free, and I'm happy. And another sticker. So that was my what I had received in the mail earlier this week from Dig and from the Hood Garden, and they're both on Instagram. This came in the mail. It was what I used for my my coupon from the Dig subscription box for Vermistera. So I got the worm tea. What else did I? Oh, this. So I've never done this before, so I'm going to try to set it up today, hopefully. But I got a soaker hose, so I ordered these landscape staples online at Amazon to kind of pin the hose down. I'm going to try. I know my shirt and my channel is Let's Try and DIY, but anything that I do DIY, it doesn't occur to me to record it. Part of it is because I don't want to mess up on camera. And the other thing is mainly is because I do things spontaneously. I'm like, oh yeah, I feel like doing this, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna build this. I'm gonna install this. So I've watched a billion YouTube videos on how to do soaker hoses, and I found one video that was comprehensive to me. And the lady, you know, the author, the YouTuber didn't go on to say, oh, it's so easy, it's so easy, it's so easy. Sometimes what's easy to me might not be easy easy to others, but her video was like clear. It wasn't clear as mud. It was clear as day, and I understood. And it's she made it look easy. So I have the staples, and I bought this. And I bought a timer to attach to this camera. You don't want to say your name? Yes, you are here. Okay. Can you get the timer thing off the table in the dining room? It's in the package. You'll see. It's next to the lamp on my craft table in the dining room. It's in the package still. Okay. So yeah. So this. Well. The timer, this will connect to my spigot, which is back there in the house, and a timer will attach to this, and then attached to the timer is my water hose. Now my garden is way in the back of my yard, so I have like pretty much 200 feet of water hose, and what I'll attach to the water hose at the other end is my soaker hose. I might have to purchase maybe another 25 feet just to fill one particular area. But that soaker hose system will be used for the 3 rows that I have and the 2 garden beds next to the no dig rows. So I might try it today, but I have a lot of things that I want to get in ground. And I also ordered more of these peat pellet things. I'm not a huge fan of peat pellets, but everything that I've planted and that are in my greenhouse right now, nothing germinated out of a billion tomato seeds and pepper seeds and borage seeds and roselle seeds. Huh?
I don't see it.
It's on the blue table in the dining room. Nothing germinated, and so I'm just gonna start. I'm thinking maybe it was the soil in there, maybe it was like dampening off the seeds. I don't know, but I'm just gonna start some in these peat pellets. This is what I got. Let me block. This is the hose faucet timer. I hadn't quite played with it yet. So the picture you see, it attaches to the spigot, and then then this goes to the hose, and then you take it from there. So now everybody's being nosy because we have a cousin that's over.
Yeah.
So I'm going to cut it short here.
Yeah, we got wet yesterday.
You got what?
Yeah, with a hose.
You played with the water hose?
Yes.
Well, I have to attach it to the soaker hose, Cam.
What soaker hose?
Well, watch me.
What?
Nothing. All right, y'all. If you see this outfit again, that means I decided to record this the same day. I thank you for watching. I thank you for your time. Pay it forward and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be helping my mom plant her garden right now, and so we're gonna get to that right now. So as you can see, she has this big garden, and so right now we're working on this, where I think it's mulch, and we're spreading it out, and I don't know if she showed you, we have this down. It looks like a corn crop right now. Yeah, but she has a whole bunch. So she started from over there by her shed, and then she moved on to this, because in the middle right here, there was a tree right here, and it was thundering, and the tree got knocked down. So then a couple months later, we changed this whole part to our garden. So my mom, how she got all this stuff, she's been working overtime at like football games, basketball games, and she's a girls basketball coach. And my dad, he's a truck driver. So even on weekends, he goes to work, to earn more money for his wife. Yeah, but when my mom makes her DIY for videos, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell. Peace.